how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes stores. So if you want to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store, then what you need to do is first you need to complete your Apple ID setup. So if you've not completed that, then you will face this problem. So to fix that, you need to open up your settings at first. Under settings, you need to go with your account, go with your personal information and add your personal information or complete your Apple ID like your first and last name or your street, your city, state, zip code, your phone, and then go with your sign in and security. Under that, if you've not added your email or your phone number, you can add those, or you can turn on your two-factor authentication. You can set up your recovery contacts, and after that you can go with your payments and delivery. You can go with add payment and then add your payment method. And after adding all of your information or after setting up your Apple ID or after completing your Apple ID setup, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.